Pet orthopedic beds. Ever wonder why dogs love orthopedic beds? Let's break it down, straight from a vet's perspective. Orthopedic beds are designed to reduce pressure on hips, elbows, and shoulders. Perfect for dogs with arthritis or joint pain. Deeper, healthier sleep. Unlike regular beds, orthopedic foam cushions the whole body, letting your dog rest without discomfort. Spinal alignment. Orthopedic beds keep the spine straight and reduce stiffness. Shop orthopedic pet beds at Beenee.com and give your pup the gift of pain-free rest. Follow at Beenee for more pet care tips and deals.